Okay, so here we go with another restoration from California Datsun. This is a beautiful 1973 240Z that I will once again go over and show you what we did, and maybe you find something you like and you want us to do a car for you. So let's start off with this beautiful engine bay. It is a L28 triple Weber powered on a E88 cylinder head. Big cam in there, got a lot of goodies, decorative pieces, gear reduction starter, larger 60 amp alternator, got the stock fan clutch with the hard to get shroud anymore, I'm not even gonna try to pronounce that, Mishimoto I guess, radiator, and yeah, this thing scoots and it looks awesome. We are super proud of it, put a lot of work into this, and customer is on his way to pick it up today. Moving on, our normal LED headlights, European front bumper, all new emblems, all the lighting is brand new. You can see here with the side marker lights. This car has air conditioning. It's an Arizona car and it blows cold, so it will need that. You can see the compressor down there. Better look from this side of the engine bay. Let's go down into the wheels and brakes here. These are 16-inch Panasports with a California Datsun 4-piston Willwood brake kit. It's got that vented and slotted rotor package, which is really nice. These wheels are wrapped in Bridgestone tires. These are 205/55 16s. The stance is just right. The comfort is awesome. The look is there. Love the pinstripe down at the bottom here. The detail work, that's actually paint. That is not a decal. Our California Datsun classic chrome mirrors, as you can see there. All the bright work gets repolished. Of course, locks and brand new door handles. Onto the back, again, matching the Willwood rear disc brake conversion. Integrated e-brake function on there. Looks super sharp. European bumper again to match the front and the back. Goes along with the European taillights that are wired correctly. All brand new rubber. He asked us to finish up his idea of, I think this is a Condigit fuel cap system. And here in California, we don't have that type of nozzle, so it's not real practical here. But in Arizona, they're different, and that's what he wanted, so that's what he got. All right, so let's take a look at the inside. Again, nice treat here. Complete leather wrapped interior with it's kind of a light gray stitching, double stitching, and the Mercedes sewn bound edge carpet. You got the skillered decorative riser trim piece there. Again, full leather. You can see some of the billet aluminum inserts that were fully polished. I'll come around to the doors and show you that. Again, our guys over at Rogelio's Upholstery did an amazing job. I mean, look at that. Show quality piece. This is actually an aluminum insert in here, again, that we took and had polished with Alcantara inserts and some original Datsun hardware, just to make sure you know it's still a Z. Moving on to the inside. I'll give you a moment to appreciate that, because man, is that gorgeous. Our friend Rod Schmidt restored that steering wheel, and he does an amazing job on that. Got a brand new dashboard in there. Client stuck with the original gauge package, but we restored them and cleaned them and updated the bulbs. He did not want a radio, but that's okay. He did want a phone charger, so that's what we put in that place. Got a 5-speed transmission in here, so a matching knob. Again, leather wrapped center console is just absolutely amazing. It just really makes this car pop. Take a look at the matching seats. Of course, continuing the leather and Alcantara. Again, customers spend a good amount of time at the upholstery shop, so when we do these restorations, each client gets their chance to meet with our upholstery shop and design it themselves. Literally pick out what fabrics they want. We've done dozens and dozens of these, so we have samples to show you, but that's what this one looks like. We did one recently similar in a camel color, but this black looks awesome on this Kilimanjaro white, which is what you see here. Underneath, if I can get there, you can see a lot of goodies. I've been posting on this car quite a bit, so you may have seen some social media posts of the undercarriage, but adjustable control arms. It's got a Borla 2.5-inch mandrel bent exhaust system with this nice big finisher here. It's got a 3-into-2 header that looks really nice under there. So this car is a showpiece, but it's also a driver. I mean, get in it and go. You can enjoy it in the Arizona sun with that air conditioning. And man, it is a looker. So I'm going to do one more walk around, and then I will show you what it looks like all closed up, and we can appreciate it from a different angle. So again, our company is California Datsun. That's our website. If you are interested, we have more information on the website that you can certainly get, and contact us directly by phone or by email. So here it is. It looks awesome. We are super proud of it. I'll get kind of a better view up here. I mean, look at that. This car is amazing, and we are very proud of it. And I am very proud of my son, Griffin, who did all the heavy lifting on this and helped me get it to where it is today. Again, if this is something you're looking for and you've got a budget and you've got some time, we would love to talk to you about building one similar, or one that meets your needs and desires. My name is Al. I'm the owner here at California Datsun, and we'd love to talk to you. But thank you for watching this video, and stay tuned for the next.